Hello, this is Dr. Adelberg, and this presentation will take a look at robot operations with an offline programming. The first thing that we do when we come to the shop floor, in our case it's a laboratory, we download the offline program into the controller. Then we set up the processing, we connect the sensor, here's the sensor into the controller, right in here into the I/O terminals. We connect the conveyor to the controller, we connect the conveyor to power, and then we power up the controller. And next we calibrate the robot position to the real position. We bring in the robot to each one of its start position. We measure the position with scale to make sure that it's in agreement with the software adjustments. And then we also adjust the conveyor positions as well as the sensor positions. Finally, when we're ready to start, we have to keep in mind that safety is first, and we have to stay clear of robot work envelope whenever the robot is on. We start by running the program one line at a time, make sure that there's no interference, and then we run a full cycle and make more adjustment as needed, and finally we run the whole process continuously and make final adjustment. At this point, the robot is ready to roll. Let's take a look at how it goes. The robot pretty much follows the exact same program as we did it offline, only this time it's running for real. Part is placed nicely. You see it's aligned. At this time, a conveyor is running, the sensor detects the part, the conveyor stops, the robot comes in, picks up the part, and you notice that it's not exactly at the center of the part. That may cause some problem on the next run, which we will have to adjust. Also it stopped, and you see a slight misalignment of the part on a conveyor. This is where we have to adjust it as we do the testing before full operation. Here's another time that the robot picks the part, and notice that there's quite a bit of misalignment. The gripper caught the part right at the end, and now it's going to be pretty much out of alignment. Still, the gripper is large enough to accommodate that, but in a real environment, we have to do better in positioning and calibration. Once again, this is the last time the gripper was able to grip the part, caught it at the edge, then placing it at the start position, going back to approach position, closing up the gripper, and coming into a final stop. This completes our presentation. We hope you enjoy it and make use of it in the future. Thank you.